In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear your browsing history on Temu. This is a straightforward process, but it's always helpful to have clear instructions to make sure you get it right the first time. Whether you're trying to enhance your privacy, declutter your search history, or just want a clean slate, follow along and you'll learn exactly how to manage your Temu browsing history with ease. First things first, you'll want to open your Temu app or website. This is your starting point for accessing and managing your browsing data. Once you're in, you'll notice the user interface is designed for simplicity, making it easy to navigate to different sections. Now pay close attention to the central area of the screen where you'll find the Temu search bar. This is key to our task today, as it's more than just a tool for searching. It's also where your recent search history is recorded. Next, we're going to focus on that search bar. Click on it, and as you do, you'll likely see a list of recent searches appear. These are searches that you or someone else using your device has performed recently. It's always a good practice to review this list to ensure there's nothing you wish to keep before proceeding with deletion. Clearing your browsing history will remove all entries in this list, so be certain about your decision. Once you've reviewed your recent searches and are ready to clear them, it's time to execute the action. Depending on your version of the app or website, the specific steps to clear your search history may vary slightly, but generally you'll look for an option directly associated with managing your browsing data. Some apps may have a dedicated settings menu or a specific clear history button that becomes available when your recent searches are displayed. Navigate to that area, keeping an eye out for confirmations or prompts that ask you to verify your choice. It's important to read these carefully to avoid unintended actions. When you've confirmed your decision to clear the browsing history, you can click or tap the necessary button to finalize the process. This action should effectively remove all recent search entries, giving you a fresh start. It's worth noting that clearing your browsing history doesn't affect your saved data or settings, so everything else within Temu will remain untouched and as you left it. And there you have it. Your Temu browsing history is now cleared. With your browsing history reset, you can continue using Temu with renewed privacy and organization. It's easy to revisit this process whenever your browsing history starts to accumulate. Remember, regular management of your digital footprint can go a long way in maintaining both privacy and efficiency in your online activities. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to stay tuned for more tips and tutorials. Until next time, take care.